in our last show from Vegepod, the veggie bag. But this is for somebody who wants to do a little bit more gardening. It's a little bit step up because it has more space to it. This should be $362. I love that we have $166 in savings, 45% off today. It's also reduced in shipping and handling by half at $10.50 as opposed to the $20. So altogether, we're really looking at about $175 in savings for you on our Vegepod system. This self-watering system, there's a lot to this in versatility. You can use it in a lot of ways. So I want to very quickly bring in Blake Harris to help walk us through it because, Blake, this, I know you and your dad created this. What a genius idea for so many different reasons. First of all, super deep, so even your root veggies you can do in here. It folds up and down easily, so it gives you protection. You have an irrigation system inside of this that is misting just like you'll find at the grocery store, and this removable cover too, so that you can have plants that maybe would need like a little bit more humidity to it. You have that ability to have the cover on, but then the mesh underneath is going to help keep things out, but also let the sunlight in. So Blake, way to go. You outdid yourself on this.
You know it. So your dad, actually 15 years ago, Dad, he was a foul gardener again. So it's a similar story there with the pests, the watering, accessibility. There was nothing that really took away all the regular problems of the garden. And there was born the Vegepod. And how it works is you fill it all the way to the top with soil. So it gives you that full foot of depth. As you mentioned, you can do those root vegetables. You can do the fruiting plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, strawberries. All your herbs and salad greens go fantastic in it. When you first get it, you can see on the screen there that it all clicks together like Lego. So you really don't need any tools to assemble it. Everything comes in the box. There's great instructions with videos online as well if you want to follow them step by step. And yeah, it's just super simple to use.
Well, you know what I love about this, because I actually took the top part of this off, Blake, because this is what I have at home. At home, I have something similar that is just this right here. And so, you know, you can easily pay around the same thing for just this, but where it's different with yours is you have this cover, and the cover, I'm just gonna hold upside down so we can see on the inside. The cover is used in a multitude of ways. Number one, the mesh helps to keep the sun in, but the bugs out. Then the inside, that's an irrigation system. If you want to get one of those automatic hose timers, you never need to water your plants again because you can hook this up and have that automatic irrigation. I am going to my neighbors throughout the spring, like all my neighbors, me and my fiance, the two of us, him and I are like literally the people that water all of our neighbors' gardens when they're gone because they know we're home. They're off all retired and on vacation. We're home watering their gardens and their plants. You don't need to worry about with this.
No, that's right. So really good point there being the watering below. So in the base of the Vegepod, we have these wicking bed trays. So they sit in the bottom, and there's enough water in there to last 3 weeks in summer. So you forget to water, you go on holidays, on vacation somewhere, don't have to worry, don't have to count on the neighbor in case you don't live in the neighborhood. You know, that it'll water for itself for 3 weeks in summer. So super convenient. In the base as well, there are overflow holes, so it won't fill up and drown the roots. But yeah, you fill that all the way up to the top with soil, like you were mentioning with the cover. It locks in the front as well. You can plug it in your hose if you did get that time. You can automate it, if not just on and off the tap whenever you want to use it. And underneath this cover here, it creates that microclimate effect, which really increases the growth rates, protects from the critters, so whether it be the rabbits, birds, squirrels, deer, your finer bugs and slugs, nothing's getting in, and it takes the edge off the elements too, whether it be the hot sun, storms, hail, wind. It breaks all the weather down, and it's a really nice climate for your veggies.
Well, Blake, the other great thing with this too is if you wanted to start planting something from a seed, you could do that, right?
Yeah. Definitely. So yeah, exactly. Whether you want to do propagation, you start from seed, you could buy a starter plant. If you are doing seeds, the cover that you guys have on there as well, you don't just get the mesh, you get the clear plastic cover, which is on your display in studio there. You actually get both included for that price.
Yeah.
That clear plastic one on the outside, that really keeps the heat in. It's really good for propagation and starting those seeds a bit earlier. So if you want to get going 4 to 6 weeks, you're good down into the 30s with that extra cover. So you can really extend the season and 100% grow from seed.
Yeah, and so that it's almost like having a little greenhouse in your backyard when you have
Yeah.
this. That's the reason for it. And if you're a beginner
right.
gardener, this is great for you. But if you're also somebody who has a little bit more gardening experience, I'm gonna give myself the label of like, I'm intermediate. I am no expert gardener by any way, shape, or form, but I'm definitely not a beginner. And I've learned, like, season after season, there's always something that I learned that, okay, like, gotta spread the plants out a little bit more.
Yep.
Maybe take the things that are all viney and don't mix them up with the ones that are growing tall. And you learn by making mistakes, right? And then all of a sudden next season it's better. This is for everybody. Yep. Beginner, expert, intermediate. Because I think if you're on that expert level or that intermediate level, you look at this, Blake, and you're like, wow, kind of wish I thought of this, but guess who did? Blake and his dad are the ones that 15 years ago came up with what is this seamless design of being able to, on your back porch, in your backyard, your front yard, anywhere, go ahead and have that amazing gardening experience. And then just imagine, Blake, when it's time to pick all the fruit, when it's time to pick those tomatoes, it's the most gratifying thing that you did it on your own.
Yeah, it really is. And on top of that, it's, you know, the taste of them is incredible. It's a satisfying process, but also it's way healthier to grow your own. So it ticks all the boxes to grow your own. It is super fun and satisfying when you do get to have that harvest. And the Vegepod does make it easy, whether it's from beginner to the advanced. It works for everyone, and it's also nice and accessible as well.
Well, I love how deep this is too. I love sweet potatoes, and to grow my own sweet potatoes, I could totally do it in here. That has to be dug in deep, and this is a deep crevice for you to do so. If you want to do your onions, you could do that in here. But then even if you want to do something like tomatoes, if maybe you wanted to use this to be able to grow some basil or lettuce, my favorite time of year, there's like, at our house, it's like 6 weeks, because I'll stagger the growth of some of them, but we have 6 weeks of being able to have every component, cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, and then a little bit of fresh basil in a salad that I grew on my own. And you can do that too, but you need the right tools, and this is it. It is on clearance today for $195.99 or an easy payment of $39.20. It should be $362 for this system, but today you have 45% savings. You're saving $166. Blake, thank you so much for being here and bringing this to us. We so appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
All right, good to see you.
You too.
Coming up in a